Hello everyone, Jordan here from Robotist to show you how to use our PLAY700 app with your robot creation. In this episode we will cover how to install the app, connect a robot with the app, and then demonstrate the different modes that come with the robots. Keep in mind that this video series will be demonstrating the Android version, but the steps here are similar to the iOS app as well. Also know that the robot must be assembled beforehand with the BT410 connected to the controller box. Please refer to the BT410 tutorial in the description below. Let's get started by downloading our PLAY700 app. On your Android device, go to the Google Play Store. If you have an iOS device, go to the App Store there. Go to the search bar and type in Robotist. There you will see several listings of different apps, but please select either R+ Task or R+ Design. Go down to the bottom or go to the section that states More by Robotist. Here you should see the R+ PLAY700 app. Go to it and download it. If you already downloaded it, alright, when you have it ready, just simply open up the app. Now let's cover how to connect the robot with your app. First, you need to know that there are several modes that are with this robot. So you'll need to push this button, the power button, on the robot such amount of times. As you can see on the app and also in this table, there are different robots that have different designations when you push this button. If you push it once, you will hear a do button, and if you push it twice, you'll be hearing a do re sound. Third is do re mi, and then fourth is do re mi fa. So to select the mode to operate the Scorpion, which is this guy right here, you just need to push this once and hear a do sound. And that's all that you need to do on the robot side. And then on the app, all you have to do is select this Scorpion icon. And then you'll hear a melody and the app interface will appear. Now let's cover the different robot modes and the different ways you can play with each robot. Each of the 4 example robots has different modes depending on which of the CM50 controller sensors they use. In the Scorpion example, there is a remote control, sound counter, and line tracing modes. As you already know, remote control gives you the ability to move the robot in certain directions. Sound counter utilizes the microphone inside the controller to detect its environment. So if you clap once, he goes forward. If you clap twice, he goes backward. But if you clap 3 times or 4 times, he goes either left or right. Lastly, line tracing features another built-in sensor called infrared sensors or IR sensors. These allow the robot to detect its environment and act according to its program. In this case, it is programmed to detect dark lines and follow its pattern on this line map. Now that we have covered the basics on how to use these example robots with the app, in the next episodes we will learn how to edit the task code or the programming code for these robots. We'll also learn how to create a new project file for a custom-made robot. Until then, have fun and stay creative.